In this video, we're going to look at 5 game-changing AI apps that are actually useful. From an AI that can help you find the best stocks to invest in to an AI that can help you code faster. These apps are going to blow your mind. So, let's get started. Number 1, ChatGPT. If you haven't heard of ChatGPT, then you must have been living under a rock. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that can do pretty much anything you ask it to do. It can write songs, create stories, and even help you with coding. But did you know that ChatGPT can also help you with investing? Yes, that's right. ChatGPT is a great tool for investors of all levels, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started. You can use ChatGPT to get insights on market trends, ask it to create a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and time horizon, or even get it to crunch some numbers for you. Let me show you how. I asked ChatGPT to create a dividend portfolio for me with a monthly dividend yield of 3% and a total portfolio value of $10,000. And then I asked it to list out the stocks with their tickers and the monthly dividends they would pay. Number 2, Grammarly. Grammarly is an all-in-one digital writing assistant that can help you save time and improve your writing across all of your favorite apps and browsers. With Grammarly, you'll never have to worry about sounding unprofessional or losing points on your paper again. Plus, it's free to download and easy to use. Once you install the extension, it will automatically start analyzing your writing and suggesting improvements. You can accept or reject suggestions right on the spot and see your writing improve instantly. And if that wasn't enough, Grammarly can also help you avoid costly mistakes when you're typing out important documents. For example, it can check your spelling, grammar, punctuation, clarity, tone, and style. So if you're looking for an easy way to improve your writing and save time, then look no further than Grammarly. Number 3, Copilot. Copilot is an AI-powered code completion tool that can help you code faster and more efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Copilot can be a valuable asset. It can help you with everything from writing code to debugging errors. One of the best things about Copilot is its ability to learn your coding style over time. This means that it can provide suggestions that are tailored to your needs and preferences, making it a powerful ally when you're working on a new project. Plus, it can also integrate with your favorite code editor, providing a seamless coding experience. So if you're ready to take your coding to the next level, then be sure to check out Copilot. Number 4, Wix. Wix is a website builder that allows you to create a professional-looking website without having to code. With its easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface, you can create a website in minutes. Wix also offers a variety of templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. In addition to its website building capabilities, Wix also offers a range of features to help you promote your business online. These include a blog, a contact form, and social media integration. So if you're looking for an easy way to create a website and promote your business, then look no further than Wix. Number 5, Runway ML. Runway ML is an AI tool that makes it easy to generate realistic images from text. With Runway ML, you can create stunning visuals for your projects without having to hire a designer or spend hours searching for stock images. The tool's intuitive interface allows you to type in any concept or idea and then choose from the generated images. Runway ML also offers a variety of templates for common use cases such as social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials. Plus, you can also use Runway ML's advanced prompt options to specify details like the style, color palette, and lighting of your images. With its powerful AI technology, Runway ML is the perfect tool for anyone looking to create high-quality images quickly and easily. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful AI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.